Welcome! Today we're going to break down the essential AI tools that are already shaping the future of advertising. This is your guide for what you really need to know as we head towards 2026.
So let's just start with the big question, right? It feels like AI is absolutely everywhere. But in the ad world, this isn't just a trend. It's a direct response to some massive shifts happening across the entire industry. So here's our game plan. First, we'll look at the pressures that are making AI a necessity. Then we'll talk about how to think of AI as a partner, not a replacement. After that, we'll dive deep into the toolkit itself. And finally, we'll cover how to keep that human touch and get ready for what's coming next.
Okay, let's get into it. To really understand the why behind all these AI tools, we have to start with the challenges, the things that are pushing creative teams to their absolute limits right now. The modern advertising world is, well, it's a pressure cooker. You've got brands demanding work faster than ever before. Clients expect every single campaign to be backed by hard data. And social media algorithms, they can change in the blink of an eye. All this means teams have to do more and be more precise just to cut through the noise.
So, when you're feeling all that pressure, it's easy to look at AI and see a threat. But the smartest way to think about this is to completely reframe the relationship. Let's stop thinking about replacement and start thinking about AI as an incredibly powerful new partner in the creative process.
And here's what that actually means. AI isn't the one coming up with the big, groundbreaking idea. Think of it more like a powerful analytical layer. It can sift through mountains of data to spot a pattern, or it can predict which ad copy might work best. But that final, strategic, creative call, that's still up to you. This quote just nails it. The goal here isn't to automate human intuition, it's to supercharge it. Let the AI handle all the heavy lifting with the data, all the repetitive tasks. That frees up human creatives to do what we do best. Tell amazing stories, be original, and create real emotional connections. Okay, so that's the big picture, but how does this actually look in your day-to-day workflow? Let's get practical and dive into the actual tools you can use. You can basically break down the entire universe of AI ad tools into these 5 buckets. Each one lines up perfectly with a key stage of the creative process, all the way from that first spark of an idea to measuring how well it did in the real world. First up, ideation. Tools like ChatGPT or Gemini are like having a brainstorming partner that never gets tired. But for real-time sourced research, a tool like Perplexity AI is a game changer. It's amazing for pulling current trends and seeing what competitors are up to, which is just crucial for building a solid strategy. Next up, copywriting. Something like Jasper AI is built from the ground up for marketers. It's got templates for everything. Copy.ai is your best friend when you need to generate dozens of different headlines for A/B testing. And for bigger teams, Writer.com is essential for making sure everyone is sticking to the brand's voice and tone. Now for visual design, wow, the impact here is just massive. Midjourney is perfect for those early-stage mood boards and just exploring wild concepts. Adobe Firefly, on the other hand, is built for commercial use and plugs right into your workflow. And Leonardo AI is especially good at creating really specific, detailed product images. And video creation is being totally transformed. Tools like Runway and Pika are leading the charge in turning simple text prompts into video clips, which is amazing for rapid prototyping. Then you have something like Synthesia, which can create professional talking head videos without ever using a camera. That's a huge deal for creating explainers and corporate content at scale.
And finally, we have performance. Because once the creative is out there, it has to work, right? Tools like Meta's Advantage Plus and Google's Performance Max are using machine learning to tweak and optimize campaigns in real time. AdCreative.ai even tries to predict which of your images or videos will perform the best before you spend a single dollar.
So, with all of this incredible power and automation at our fingertips, it brings up the most important question of all. How do we use it without losing that human touch? The authenticity that actually makes people care about a brand in the first place. Well, the teams that are really getting this right all operate with a clear set of principles. They use AI to explore more ideas, but they always filter those ideas through a human lens of culture and emotion. It's all about blending AI's incredible scale with irreplaceable human nuance. Let's look at a real-world example. Nike isn't asking an AI to write its next big slogan. No way! What they are doing is using it to personalize the experience for millions of people, recommending the right shoe to the right runner. The AI here is enhancing the customer relationship, not trying to replace the core creative soul of the brand.
Now, Coca-Cola did something completely different, and it's brilliant. They use generative AI not just to make content for their audience, but to empower their audience to co-create with them. And that is a powerful shift. It turns passive consumers into active participants, which builds a ton of loyalty.
And check out what Heinz did. This is so cool. They basically prompted image models with things like ketchup bottle in a Renaissance painting and used the weird, wonderful results for a whole campaign. It just proves that AI isn't only for back-end stuff. It can be a source of truly iconic, unexpected creative that gets everyone talking.
All right, let's wrap this up by looking ahead. The tools we just talked about are evolving at lightning speed. So what should you and your team be focusing on right now to make sure you're ready for 2026?
The future isn't going to be some separate AI department. These tools are just going to be baked into everything we do. At the same time, clients are just going to expect this level of efficiency, and our responsibility to use AI and data ethically is going to be more important than ever.
And at the end of the day, this isn't about becoming a tech expert. The most valuable people in this new era will be the ones who can master this hybrid skill set, combining their unique human creativity with the incredible power and scale of AI.
And that really brings us to the final, crucial question. This evolution isn't some far-off future thing. It is happening right now. So the real challenge is to start building these skills today so your team isn't just ready for the future, but is actually leading the way.